This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to edit a Letterboxd review after posting. So you have a review that you've already posted, like I have here. This film Elevator to Gallows, actually a really good film, really early new, I should say really early French new wave. So I've added this review today. If I want to actually edit it, so you can check out all of your reviews. So I'm here on the main profile, my main profile. And if I want to see all of the reviews, I can click reviews there, and we can see all of the recent reviews, and we can just keep on scrolling down. There's actually 300 odd pages there. So if we actually want to edit a review, we click into the review. So you see the review itself is open here, not the film page. Now we can edit or delete a review by clicking here. Show activity is an option as well. But if you click there, this is now the edit screen for the review. So you see what the review was before. If I wanted to add something like just a fantastic film at the end, maybe I just want to add that just to sort of conclude it. Let's put that on a separate line. That is essentially how you will edit the review. You can add tags after the fact as well. You can also change the spoilers, contain spoilers even. You can change the heart and the rating itself all directly from here. You can even change the date as well. So if you had the date wrong, you can change the date from here just by clicking there. Once you have made those changes, once you've actually edited that review, you will just click save. And just like that, we see the changes are already reflected. Fantastic film. It's now its own separate paragraph at the bottom. Hopefully you found this video on how to edit a review on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.